In this video, I'll show you how to load paper inside of your HP DeskJet 2842e. This printer can take up to 60 different sheets of paper, so don't put too much because if not, it will get jammed. Alright, here I have two, or no, I have three. So the paper goes right on the back. If you put your fingers in the back, you're gonna feel that there's a small gap over here. You simply need to pull up this plastic piece, okay, all the way up, and then make it rest on its back, like this, slanted. Then there's this translucent piece of plastic here that you can open simply by pulling it out, and you're gonna notice that there is a blue guide right in the middle. So it really depends the size of the paper you're gonna input here. You're gonna have some markers here, you see 5x7, 4x6 if you intend to print on smaller cards or maybe some pictures. But if you intend to print on normal sheets of paper like this, letter size or A4 size, you're gonna push this blue guide all the way towards the left. Okay, until you reach the end. Then take your paper and simply let it sit in this slot over here. Now, if it's the first time you're setting up this printer, a page will get printed automatically, so don't get afraid if this happens. You can now release this plastic and yeah, don't forget that the output over here also has a tray. Right now it's not deployed, so as you see, the paper goes directly on the table, and if there's nothing, it will simply fall on the ground. So what I suggest, let's just wait for this to print, is that you lower this drawer over here, like that. And then extend this small plastic piece so the paper stays here and doesn't go on the ground once it's get printed.